Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the VRoid Studio manga 3D avatar, the cartoon, into Blender. So I'm going to show you all these step by step. Right, first I'm going to just select a sample avatar, or for you, you can just create a new one. It is up to you because of this is just a demo, a pipeline. So once you already have this avatar, do whatever adjustments to just make your own avatar. Then next, just click here to export as VRM. And here, click export. And as demo, I'm going to just fill the name. Alright, you can see these two you require to fill your avatar's name, and the creator you can just fill in your name. Then scroll down, click export. Once you already click export, just wait for a few seconds. It is going to process it. Now it asks you to just export it somewhere. So I'm going to just export it on my desktop. The file name, you can just name this properly, and this file name is avatar sample f. I'm not going to change it. Then save as VRM. I click save. Now it should be already on your desktop here. Right. Next, you can just open your Blender. This is Blender 5.0. The first thing what you need to do is just click the empty area, just press A and just press delete to delete everything. Go to the edit, preferences, and then go to the get extension. Then you search for VRM. Make sure the VRM format, you click install. If you not yet installed, there will appear an install, something like this. Install it and make sure you already have the internet, connect your computer to the internet and install the VRM format plugin. Then next, just go to the add-on and search for VRM again. Make sure the VRM plugin is already activated. This is very important. Once it's already activated, just close this. Then if you click File, Import, you should be able to see the VRM format. You can import from here, or you can just directly drag in the VRM file, drag into your Blender 5.0, and then wait for a few seconds. Once you drag in, it is going to delay a few seconds to just pop out the import option. So now you can see it is not pop out anything, it directly imported. Sorry, it already inside here. So we are going to have a check. You can see the skeleton is already there. This is the skeleton. We are going to test it to see whether the skeleton is work or it doesn't work. I just go to the pose mode and check for any of the skeleton. I try to just manipulate it. You can see everything work properly. Let's say what about the leg? Alright, everything worked properly. Alright, next we are going back to the object mode and we are going to check the facial, the face. The facial expressions shape key, it is at here under the shape key. I'm going to just check some of this. For example, the angry. Alright, it worked properly. Let's say joy. All of this facial shape key also worked properly. And surprise. So actually, from the VRoid Studio, if you want to import it into Blender, it is really easy because in Blender 5.0 it already have the VRM add-on. You just need to connect your internet and just go to the preferences, go to the get extension to just get it for free. Of course, you need to allow the online access. This is very important. Make sure you just search from there. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!